going to show you how to edit chat in Character AI. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and be on this website right here that says character.ai. So after you're here, make sure you're logged in, and now just select the chat that you want to edit. After you're here, you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see this 3-dot button. Make sure you tap here, and now we have multiple options here like new chat, voice, history, customize, pinned, persona, style, and many more. So if you want to edit your chat, just choose this option that says customize, and you can see these options here. So if you want to add a wallpaper, just go ahead and tap on this add option right here. If you want to change the chat color, you have options like monochrome and the red color, purple monochrome, and many more. So it's completely your choice. So this is how you customize the color of the chat. Go back, and now you can see this option at the bottom that says style. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can change the chat style. So currently it's roar, but if you want meow, which is quick words and faster words, you can just go ahead and tap here. If you want to use this for all the chats, tap on this option. If not, leave it be, and now tap on start new chat. So now the replies would be more quick and witty. So there you go. That's how you edit chat in Character AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.